Evening incense.
This is the brief on Numbers 12 and the judgment of Miriam. When Miriam and Aaron criticize Moses out of hidden jealousy and pride, it sparks a dramatic divine intervention showing exactly how God handles authority, discipline, and mercy. First, God defends Moses, stating that while he speaks to ordinary prophets in dreams, he talks to Moses face to face, crystal clear. God departs in anger, and Miriam is instantly struck with snow-white leprosy. Now, why did only Miriam get this visible punishment when both were guilty? Well, her name is listed first in the text, which is a clue she was the primary instigator. Second, we see immediate confession. Aaron realizes their foolishness and practically begs Moses not to let Miriam waste away. Think about the deep irony here. How humbling is it to have to beg for mercy from the exact person you just tried to tear down? But Moses doesn't gloat. Instead, he shows remarkable humility and instantly cries out, "Oh God, I beg you, please heal her." Finally, we hit discipline and restoration. God answers Moses but imposes a 7-day quarantine outside the camp for Miriam. Wait, God compares this to a father spitting in his daughter's face? That sounds incredibly harsh. To clarify, this was just a cultural metaphor for severe public disgrace. Since her sin was public, her correction had to be too. But it was temporary. After 7 days, she was completely restored. God clearly sees the hidden pride behind our complaints, but his discipline is always paired with restoring mercy when we walk in humility.